Hi mga mahal! Naghahanap ka ba ng proven and effective organic na produkto? Try this Lubanol Barley, a 100% pure organic barley leaf from New Zealand. Safe and effective para sa mas siguradong malusog at ligtas na pangangatawan. This Lubanol Barley organic powder juice have overflowing vitamins, minerals, enzymes, fiber, amino acid na tumutulong magpalakas ng ating immune system na siyang lumalaban sa mga nakatagong virus and bacteria sa ating katawan. Kaya ay suggest na ugaliin natin uminom araw-araw ng Lubanol Barley. Nakakatulong din ito sa mga taong may cancer, diabetes, kidney problem, high cholesterol, acid reflux, stress, at madami pang iba. From plant to powder, all natural and certified organic talaga. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, kailangan natin mas palakasin ang ating immune system. Always choose to be healthy and be one of our lifetime member and authorized distributors nationwide with huge of discounts and benefits. Kaya parami na ng parami ang nagtitiwala sa Lubanol Barley. When it comes to your health, always choose for the best. It matters what you drink, always choose Lubanol Barley.